Alrighty guys, welcome back. So today we're currently back out here at my buddy Alex's house. Alright, so I introduced him and his truck as well as his rock lights. Hey Alex, you want to go ahead and turn on your rock lights? Just your rock lights real quick.
Oh, just rock lights?
Yeah, so we went ahead and installed rock lights on his truck recently after I had installed mine on my Excursion. But he was getting more into the lights. He also did interior lights. I'll make another video on later. And, well, we did the interior lights. But his newest addition is his dual six... Are they 6.5 inch?
6.5.
Yep, dual 6.5 inch LED light bars. You can go and flip them on now, Alex, there. So I'm going to show you guys where we ran them and whatnot. They're super bright. Oh, they're so good. I don't know how much he bought them for, but we've just been under here running wires. We got them all hooked up to the battery. We got the switch ran into the cab. Got all that done. And, of course, with the help of his dog, Hank. So, yeah. I don't know. I'm really impressed. I think they look really good. Obviously, dangling wires. We just finished the job. Just put our last connectors, because what we did was we ran wires to the battery. And then we ran them down to the middle. And then we went ahead and took these wires and ran them to the middle. And we just finished up our last two connections of the positive and negative wire. And now they're done. So obviously there's going to be dangling wires. You can see them under there still. So that's when I'm going to get a shot here in just a moment next of all the wires hidden. And then we're going to get a night shot too. So when he's pulling out of here, and then also when he's going down this driveway here, we can get a couple cool shots with the dual 6.5 inch light bars on the back, because he said he had really lots of trouble seeing when backing up in this thing. So that's why he needed these. So whenever he's backing up in the dark, he can just flip them on. I know it looks a little bad right now with the dangling wires. You won't see them in just a second. We're going to get them all zip tied up to the frame and everything. And we already closed the hood, but we just pretty much ran the positive negative wire to the battery. We ran wires down here, ran the wires over here, and obviously they're on there right now, but we're going to get them all zip tied up with the other wires that are over above the wires right there. Or not wires, but you know, cables and stuff. So yeah, we're going to get them all ran and zip tied up, but right now they're going from the LED light bars to the middle, and then our other power wire and switch we ran into the cab. So we ran the switch into the cab across the bottom, and then on in, and then we did the power wire going down, and we had it laying right there, and then we got those wires met into the middle, just put some connectors on it, got all that finished up. So we're gonna get a shot after we clean up all the wires and zip tie them all up to the frame. We're gonna get a night shot, and it should look really good. So I don't know if they're still on. Yes, they are. Look at those things. They're super bright. They're going to look good. They're definitely going to help him back up. I'll put a link to these down below in the description, as well as the rock lights like I did in the last video when I covered the rock lights. And soon I'll make a video on the interior lights that we did on this thing. And I'll also put a link to those so you guys can do all the same stuff that me and my buddy Alex did to our truck. So, yeah, with that, I'll catch you guys as soon as all the wires are cleaned up. So I'll catch you guys with that. Alrighty guys, so just got done. I went ahead and took the rolly thingy, creeper, and went on this side. Went under there, zip tied everything up. So no more wires on that side, and he got a couple on this side. And how many were on this side? Like,
How many were zip tied?
Yeah, how many things did you have to zip tie? Alright, so he zipped tied about 3 things on this side. I did about 3 on this side, needed about 2 or 3 on that side. So we got a couple spread out on the frame because they're all different types of power wires and crap going back there. So we got it all zip tied up to the frame. It's looking good. And once again, switches in the cab. And the way these ones work, if you've never seen a light bar, so pretty much there's a nut behind this that can slide back and forth. And you go ahead and line it up. And I believe, does it come with the little bolt that'll go through it? Does it, or did you have to find one?
No, it came with it.
Okay, it came with the bolt. So
Give you a
there's
longer one or a smaller one.
Yeah, there's longer ones or smaller ones here, and different mounting brackets. It's all up to you. But how he went ahead and did it here, we went ahead and drilled a hole back here under it, and then the sliding nut we put about right here, and we took one of those screws and screwed it in. Not screws, but we took one of those bolts and threaded it in and tightened it down, and we did the same on the other side. That's the only little dilemma, is that wire right there. Shouldn't be an issue. This one right here just tucks right on up there, and he decided to go with a little bit of a slant to it right there, and I went ahead and matched it on this side. So there we go, 2 6.5-inch LED light bars on the back, wires hidden, the switches inside the cab, and the 2 power wire going right to the battery, and it's all connected and good. So I'll get a clip of it at night and we can finish off this video. So hope you guys, I know we didn't really get the full thing on video of us doing it, but we were just kind of sitting around working, chilling, and putting on some LED light bars here so he can see better when he backs up. So it really wasn't too big of a process, too bad a process. So we just were kind of doing it casually throughout the day. We weren't really like needing to get it done, but I mean, we got it done. So that's why I didn't really just need to like make it a YouTube video, you know. That's why I made sure to get a video afterwards and show you guys how we did everything. But it did take a little bit of thought process, you know. So we got it all figured out, and I'll catch you guys once it's nighttime, and yeah, then I'll show you guys what it looks like, and it should look pretty good and light up. And yeah, so I'll see you guys, or I'll catch you guys then. Alrighty guys, it's officially night. The rock lights are on, the interior lights are on, matching the rock lights here. But this is what we are mainly looking at here tonight, is the LED lights here on the back of the bumper. I already went through how we wired them in, then just two power wires straight to the battery, and there's one extra switch wire that goes into the cab. We got all that done. We had the wires, zip tied them up to the frame, got all that done. There's also a brake light strip that my buddy Alex put on, but I helped just connect it right down here. It was pretty easy. Yeah, these are the dual 6.5-inch LED light bars. They light it up pretty good back here. Definitely going to be pretty good for backing up and actually seeing what's behind you when backing up. So I'd say they're pretty cool. They look pretty good. They're extremely bright. I can hardly look at them, but they're very nice, and I believe they're $36 on Amazon. You guys will find a link to them down below in the description. That's it for the LED light bars. That's it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like if you did. Subscribe if you are new and you haven't already. And with that one, catch you guys very, very soon in the next one.